Hello, welcome to the AC Silver store and our channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about this quite magnificent antique Victorian English sterling silver Armada jug and matching charger. Quite an exceptional example. It has this beautiful chased and applied decoration. Has these very impressive cast and applied mermaids and mermen to each corner, and this very impressive cast leopard's head to the front of the jug. Impressive vacant cartouches, a lovely cast handle with this lever action for the hinge cover. All this decoration remains really sharp. You'll hear silver dealers like myself referring things to being really good in the hand. What we're actually referring to is not just the quality of the piece, where you can actually feel the sharpness and crispness of the decoration and the beautiful weight in a piece. This example at 77.3 troy ounces is made from an exceptional gauge of silver, thickness of silver. The renowned London silversmith Martin Hall & Co. has really crafted this in a manner that it really does feel lovely in the hand due to the exceptional quality, but the gauge of silver. You can feel this through your fingers. It really is an exceptional example in quite exceptional condition. So what we're trying to do at AC Silver is not just include finest examples of their type, but ones that remain in this almost unused condition. I always find this guarantees that when we sell such a piece and it arrives with the next custodian, customers are far more delighted than they would probably expect, because not only is the piece an exceptional example, but just in this fantastic condition. Obviously, to locate examples with the original charger becoming increasingly difficult, it really sets these jugs off so very well. Just a fantastic table centerpiece, which is obviously ready for use. All the hallmarks are really deeply struck due to the exceptional gauge of silver, and are all very clear, just as you would expect from a truly exceptional example. As you can imagine, the jug and charger is sold with my highest recommendations. If, however, any further information was required, please do not hesitate to call us here at the store or email me directly, and I'd be happy to answer any queries or questions that you may have. In the meantime, I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video.